I think we're recording. Huh. So guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be starting up my dirt bike. So it is a Honda XR100 03 model. So I guess let's go ahead and get it started up. Crap. How if I turn that stuff on? Oh, crap. Try that. Ah, there we go. The beast is alive. Ah, dang it. Died. Try this. Alright. I will get you guys when I get it started. Well guys, it started, and let's just listen to it. Yeah, it's not a bad bike. I bought it off my cousin. She had it before me. Fairly good bike. One of these days there will be a video with Moto Life rules. Me and him riding our dirt bike together out at his house. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to leave a comment in the comment box and leave a like and subscribe. See you guys in the next one.